the last time we will see the framing of the house from the outside. It's getting wrapped today. How do you feel about that?
Stoked to have the tarps off. Call it a day for now.
We have windows. This is our kitchen area. Standing where the kitchen sink will be. Nice crank window here. And another one of these on this side.
It's been a fun weekend, fun day. House wrap removed from that. Putting in windows is super fun.
Nice. Good work. This is where we leave for this video. We've got almost all of the windows installed. We have a major opening to finish up here and the French doors and this very difficult window above the French doors for next time.